Ada juga in one of your posts kan, you ada tulis pasal perasaan resentment and grief. We do not have to speak about what happened, like what changes that you nak buat for your kids, you know, coming through a rough background or whatsoever lah.
That post, I posted that memang after I dah orang kata overcome lah that feeling kan. Memang I think one of the biggest feeling bila ada anak tu, as someone yang for me personally, from my background, rasa macam bila kita bagi anak something yang kita tak dapat, kasih sayang lah, time and whatever, kita rasa that resentment tu build up tau. Kenapa aku tak dapat ni from my parents? Kenapa parents aku tak boleh buat macam ni untuk aku? So and that is macam memang it hit me lah, boleh kata macam almost every other night I will think about it lah, macam kenapa aku tak dapat ni. Tapi itulah macam aku bagi kat anak aku. And then memang apa tu, nak overcome tu is a bit hard lah. Tapi I think once you accepted that macam your ship has sailed, dah tak boleh buat apa. But then how do you give apa yang tu tak dapat kepada anak tu, I think that's what matters most lah.